Hi, so I made it. I am now in the Brackens. It not quite daylight yet, it's 6:15 in the morning, so I've got a little bit of time, but it looks as though there's fog or low clouds, whatever you want to call it, so I might not get the best views, but enjoying my trip so far, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Okay, so hi is my first footage from my GoPro. I'm just about to embark on the walk, which will take me to the first stop. It's up these steps here. I have no idea where I'm going, but it looks like there's an actual lovely little waterfall. There it is. Ah! Don't know if you can see that in this light. But it comes all the way down and goes down there. Oh wow! Wow! I'm so excited. So as you can see, the ascent up to where we're going is a little bit steep, so make sure you bring some decent walking boots or some decent trainers. Already this is being a bit of a it's nothing like Snowdon, which I absolutely loved, but this is still steeper than normal walking, so be prepared. The stones are a bit slippy because it's like mega early, so there's moisture around, and you need grip because you wouldn't want to fall down the little ravine down next to you. Beautiful waterfall. Obviously the GoPro, I'm using the GoPro Hero 10. Like I say, first time using it, so expect me to be a little bit snap happy with it. Anyway, on we go. So far, I've come up this far, not much further to go. I made it to quite high, you can see I'm pretty much up with the clouds. I think that counts as making a sunrise. I'm pretty sure it does. Taking a little detour. Sorry for the high pitch there, but I fancied coming down and have a look down here because it looks so nice and so fresh, you know. Still tremendous views. the good thing about going hiking is your sense of adventure kicks in, and you kind of just want to go and explore. It really is beautiful here. Like really, I'm so glad I got up mega early to do this. But hopefully I can get back in good time as well. Problem with going down is you got to go back up. Right. So I was just taking some pictures up on a ledge. Don't know if we can see it up over there, which overlooks like a beautiful view. And I my tripod gave way, which meant I had to go and do a little bit of rock climbing to get down there to grab my GoPro. I wasn't willing to give it up, not on the first outing. Anyway, as you can see, I'm doing a little descent at the moment. It's a bit slippery, but anyway. This is, I believe, Cribbit. Correct me if I'm wrong. Looks like in the backdrop that looks like rain. Let's just hope. I think it's going away from me. So hopefully I'm not going down there. I'm going up there. Yay! So I just came down that there. Don't know if you can tell or see how steep it is, but those of you who have climbed it will know. Sorry, just sort this out because it's in the way. There you go. And then I'm up this one. A bit tiring because I've been on the go since 3:30 this morning, so feeling it a little bit. I think once I get up here I'm going to stop, take on some fluids, have maybe a little bite to eat, and then go on for the rest of the journey, I think. Don't know if you can hear that. Hold on. Yeah, that's what it's like being away from the cities. Brilliant. Anyway, time to start the climb. So it's we're a bit off the beaten path now. Proper hiking it now, I guess. Part of the wilderness. Still, I love it. Right. And now I got to climb down this, which is a little bit sketchy, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Rather go down it than up it, I guess. Well, we'll see if I fall. If I fall, then no, I'd have rather gone up it.